Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at this PR package from Maniology. This is called the Carrot Patch Spring Nail Stamping Bundle, and I also got the smudge free top coat, so I'm really excited to try that out, and let's see what's inside this stamping bundle. Okay, let's open this up and see what's inside this cute little pouch. Actually, my cat took this pouch and decided that it was his toy. So inside we have the crystal clear stamper. It's a scraper set. And we have 3 stamping plates. And what else is in here? We have a sun shower stamping polishes, and there's 3 in this set. So let's take a look at these up close. So in this stamper and scraper set, this is a cube stamper, and it's a nice kind of jelly red or magenta kind of color with a scraper that matches. We have Maniology M465. This plate will be great for Easter and springtime, so I'm going to do 3 designs with this plate. Then we have plate number 466, and this is a great springtime plate, and I'm also going to do 3 designs with this plate as well. Then the third plate in this bundle is M455, which is a really cute St. Patrick's Day plate, and I'm going to do 3 designs with this plate. Then I got the smudge-free top coat, and you guys, if you've been following me and my Maniology videos, you know I've been wanting to try this top coat out. Thank you, Maniology, for sending me this smudge-free top coat, and I don't know, making my wishes come true, because I really wanted to try it and check it out and see how it works. Then we have the 3 stamping polishes, which are part of the bundle. Oh, I should say that the top coat is not part of this bundle, so if it's something you want, you can order it separately. We have Rosebud B507, which is a really pretty springtime pink. It's a medium pink. We have Marigold B508, which is a nice rich caramel color. And lastly, we have Bluebell B509, which is this gorgeous bluish purple, so a lilac color, perfect for spring. So we are going to start off with M455, and I'm going to do 3 St. Patrick's Day designs. I'm going to start off with Bam White as my base, taking Pine. Now I know that these 2 colors are not in this kit, but I just love the fact that I'm building up my collection of Maniology and I can use any color for a nice themed design. I do have the Magic Gel Tackless Top Coat on top of the white, just because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm winging it, so if I make a mistake and I want to take something off, I want to make sure that I can do it with acetone without taking the base color off as well. And yes, I'm doing a cat on this design in honor of my kitten Jake. He was born on the 17th, not of March, but of August, so this one's for him. Now, instead of doing reverse stamping, I'm going to take my watercolor acrylic paints and I'm going to paint in the cat area just with the watercolor, and I'm just placing the color in, and anytime you see that my brush disappears, I'm either grabbing more color or taking color off onto a paper towel. Watercolor art is so easy. You can put the color on, clean your brush, get a little bit of water on there, take some color away, and the fact that there is a gel top coat on, you're not going to wreck any of the design, and you're not even going to wreck the stamping. It goes in between the stamping outline really nicely. I do let the watercolor dry for about 15 seconds. Now I'm going in with the smudge-free top coat. It is smudge-free. It doesn't smudge the stamping polish. It doesn't even smudge the water paint. Okay, I'm just going to let you watch the next couple of designs, and if there's something I think I need to share with you, I'll pop back on. And here's a quick look at the St. Patrick's Day designs we just did. There are so many cute designs on this plate, like the rainbow and the pot of gold and the leprechaun. Just a really well-rounded St. Patrick's Day plate, and I'm really happy to have it in my collection. Let's take M465, the Easter plate, and do 3 designs with this plate. Again, I have no idea what I'm going to do, so I'm just gonna let you sit back and watch, and let's see what I come up with. Okay, for this last design, I'm going in with s'more because I wanted a light background, and I'm going to do some watercoloring in between the lines, so to speak. Now, you could do this over a matte top coat, but matte top coat is quite porous, so the watercolor is going to just hang on to the matte top coat. I like a shiny top coat because it's easier to take color away or clean up a mistake if you make one. And here I'm just kind of going. I'm just doing and seeing how this ends up. And I have to say that I really like the end result, which you'll see coming up. And after I let the nail dry for about 15 seconds, I'm going in with my smudge-free top coat. I love this top coat. It probably takes about maybe around 60 seconds to dry. And here is the 3 designs we just did, 3 very different designs, and something great for spring and Easter. I think this is a lot of fun. Again, another plate with so much possibility. And then the last plate in this bundle is M466, which is a really fun springtime plate. And I'm going to do 3 designs, and I have no idea what I'm going to do. So let's see what I come up with. Now this design you could also do in the fall. I'm just taking some acetone on a Q-tip and cleaning up the areas that shouldn't be there. And I'm also going to do some reverse stamping, and that is coloring inside the image with different color stamping polishes, as you can see that I'm doing right here. You would think that this stamping polish would dry really quickly and you don't have time to stamp, but that is not the case. And when you're doing reverse stamping, you don't really have to be precise or really careful where you put the color in between the lines. I mean, you do to a point, but not really meticulously. Meticulously, is that a word? I'm just plopping the color in and spreading it around and trying not to go outside the line. And then when I flip the image around and stamp it, it all stamps together. Now, the coloring in between the lines took about 30 to 45 seconds. So within that time, the whole image didn't dry out. Now this image, I was going to color in between the butterflies and just do some watercolor in this, but I liked how it worked just on its own, so I left it. Sometimes less is more. And when I saw this image, I thought watercolor paints, and that way I get to use any kind of color, make my flowers the colors I want them. Because I don't have every single stamping polish color from Maniology yet, the watercolors are a great alternative, and as you can see, it does work with Maniology products. And I have to say that this image totally surprised me. I didn't know what I was going to do, and sorry I'm out of frame, but it turned out so well. And I actually did it on a client of mine, and it really suited her style, like something back from the 60s. So here's a quick look of the 3 designs we just did. I really like that pink one and the flower watercolored one. The one with the beaver on it is great for fall. I think if I had more colors, I would have been able to do more of a spring look, but super cute nonetheless. Okay, let's recap this PR package. Oh my gosh, you guys, I had so much fun doing these designs. I didn't know what I was going to do, as I mentioned in the video a few times, but I love how being creative was so easy using a bundle that comes with pretty much everything you need. So I'll put a link in the description box of where you can get this bundle, and don't forget you can use my discount code Auralite10 to get an extra 10% off of your purchase. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!